us consider one example in order to understand affine cipher. That is, so my plain text space of plain text is Z26 and space of cipher text is also Z26, and I take if you can recall, the unit element is Z26. Last lecture I have delivered where I have calculated the with the help of what you call the Euler-5 function. So unit element of Z26 steric, I mean to say other than 0, are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15. So the unit element in Z26 steric is 17, 19, and then 21, 23, and 25. So there are 12 elements, as I told you. So I have to select A for affine cipher that must belong to unit element of Z26 steric. So I take A as 3 because if you can multiply 3 with 9, you will get 27, and under mod 26 it is congruent to 1. So 3 is 9 congruent to 1 under mod 26. So the inverse of 9 is 3 and the inverse of 3 is 9. So if I can write 3 is congruent to 1 over 9 under mod 26, or I can say 9 is congruent to 1 over 3 under mod 26. So in that way we can delete or can get rid from fraction in calculation, because there is no fraction in modulo classes Z26. So I have to eliminate the fraction, either start my affine cipher decryption function. So there was fraction, I write it A inverse, so I have to put inverse of that element instead of fraction. So let me elaborate this with let us take one example example is plain text is A, B, C, and my A is 3 and my B is 2. Okay, and my cipher is encryption function is 3x plus 2 mod 26. So I have to encrypt this plain text A, B, C. So with the help of this encryption function, so when I pass A, A is correspond to what? A is correspond to 0, B is correspond to 1, and C is correspond to 2. So I have to pass 0 first, that I will get 2. Then I pass 1 to my encryption function, that will 5. Then I pass 2 to my encryption function, then I will get 6 plus 2, 8. And then this is map on C, and this is map on F, and this is map on I. So ABC under encryption function E, that is A, B, C. If you apply E, you will get C, F, I. So I have to apply decryption functions. So for decryption function, what I have to know about, I have to know about the inverse of A, that is y, A inverse y minus B. So, oh, sorry, I should not put hat over here. So, y is this output, this is y1, y2 and y3. So, I have to put y of 2. So, inverse of 3 is, the inverse of 3 is 9 in under mod 26. So 2 minus 2, what you will get? 0, which is A. Then 5, 9, 5 minus 2, which is 27. You will take mod of 26. Its remainder is 1, so you will get B. So other than this, I must say D for 8, like 9, 8 minus 2, what you will get? 50?
54 or mod 26 with 2.
54 under mod 26, what you will get?
2.
2. So it is ultimately C. So with the help of this decryption function, you will get back your what you call, if I apply D to this CFI, you will get again A, B and C. So this is affine cipher. If you can look over here, how many possibilities do you have over your security keys? If you in shift cipher, I have only one key, that shift, which is K. So I have only 25 possibilities. So if you want to crack shift cipher, so how many possibilities you have to have try? 25 different possibilities. And if you have say affine cipher, so how many possibilities are over A? That is, if I can define this AX plus B, how many possibilities are defined over A in under modulo 26? 12. You can take 12
unit elements.
But how many possibilities are over B? 20?
25.
25. So
no,
how
24 0 नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yes, it's of course, but 0 from 1 to 25.
Yes.
There is
24.
25
25
possibilities. So if you take like 1, fixing the 1 in this cipher, like AX plus B, if you fix A, so you have to change B. How many cipher you can create?
25.
25. If you take 3 and then repeating
11.
no, 25. If you fixing 3 and then changing first place 1 at the place of B and then 2, 3, how many cipher you can create? 25. So how many total cipher you can create? How many possibilities are there on your keys A and B? There are 2 into 25. 12 into 25 possibilities you can create. So the searching of key is tedious over here, or in the case of shift cipher, it is quite tedious in that case. But it is right now, I can say it is quite tough, but it is not tough enough. So you can break this one. So you have how many possibilities you have? 8 possibilities over A is 12, and possibilities over B is 25. So how many total possibilities? Total possibilities. So this is you know what, the affine cipher. So I just developed these two classical cipher. You can see I operate each and everything individually on every element of the plane. So that is why I call it as a mono cipher, mono substitution cipher. So, and I use the idea of unit element, which I have developed in my last classes, which is quite equally applicable in what you call a fine cipher, and it will be equally applicable in while I am discussing polygraphic Hill cipher and its different variants. So till then, dear student, Allah Hafiz, may Allah bless you all.